Alright guys, I'm just getting the spark plug out of the cylinder number 6 right there, and as you can see it has a lot of oil on it. That is not a good sign. So I had already taken out the oil tube seals on this gasket, or this valve cover I should say, and you just get a flat-headed screwdriver and pop them out from underneath. Sometimes they can be real pain in the butt. I also use a flat-headed screwdriver to get the main gasket off the valve cover, get that underneath and pull it up. I use Rock Auto a lot using a Moly gasket. It's VS50427S. This is the part number from Moly that you're going to need. Get 2 of them. Rock Auto has been really good to me. Great quality parts for relatively inexpensive. So when you install this gasket, there are nipples on it. Make sure the nipples go down into the valve cover, and it is directional. There are little slots on the valve cover and there's slots on the gasket itself. You'll see when you get in there, and just make sure that those line up correctly with the nipples facing down. Here are the oil tube seals. Honda part number is 12342RYE004. I like to get OE Honda valve or oil tube seal gaskets, because Felpro ones, I've had quite a few issues with Felpro gaskets. Now you just get some grease. This is AMSOIL synthetic grease, but I'll coat the outside with the oil tube seal, and I'll coat the inside of the valve cover itself, so it makes it easier to go in. I'll also put grease on the oil tube in the engine, so that when I put everything back together, it just slides in real nice like. To get these in, I just use my fingers and a piece of wood. Sometimes it's really difficult. You need to get a socket of the same size and push it in that way, or tap it in with a hammer. Like I said earlier, if you put these in the freezer for a couple days before you put them in, it makes it go in a little bit easier because they constrict down, and makes it just a little bit easier to get them in, especially when you use grease. So right there, I'm just putting the installing the valve cover back in. Got all gaskets and oil tube seals in. Just make sure that everything seats correctly. The small bolt goes on the top. That's on the front and rear valve covers. The smallest bolt. There's only 5 bolts, but the smallest length one goes at the very top on both valve covers. Torque spec for these is 8.7 foot-pounds. My torque wrench goes to 10, so I just put it down to 10. There's a torque sequence to these. I'll put it up right now. But the shortest one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a torque sequence. And you'll just see me here in a second get my handy dandy Lowe's torque wrench that I've had for a long time and torque it down. So if you guys see oil in your oil tube seal, go ahead, do this fix. Don't let your coil packs get cooked and start giving you misfires. I hope this helps you out. If you can, please subscribe. Alexa, what's the best car repair channel on YouTube?
BundysGarage is the best car repair video channel on YouTube.
Alexa, who do you love most?
I love BundysGarage.